Hello everybody, IMRAN here and welcome to another Canva Pro video tutorial. In this video we are going to look at how you can use Canva to create animations via the Animation Pro feature in Canva Pro. Now everything starts with the design, and with Canva you can design anything by just typing in the search bar what you would like to design, or you can just scroll down and look through the thousands of templates available for you in Canva. Right? So I'm going to just type in animation, and then you can see we have things like animated social media, animated Facebook story, animated presentation. I'm going to select the animated presentation, and we have animated presentation templates right here. A lot of templates. You can scroll through and look for what fits your needs. So as I scroll through, I think this one is a cool one. I'm going to select this one. Notice how many pages this one has. So there are different animations, but there are also cool videos that you can use. If you come to the left, below the elements there's text, but below text there's music, and then you have videos. So you can have a look through these cool videos. But as always, you can always come to the templates and then you can search in the bar. Notice all these animations that we get. Now, as I mentioned earlier, in an earlier video I mentioned how some of these templates have more pages. You might find a template with over 15 pages. So if I selected this template, notice how many pages. But you can always go through and look for another template that fits your needs. And as always, you can come in here before you download it to make sure you can check it out. You can just click present. Now we only selected one page. If you manage to get all the pages in the template, you can be able to see what your presentation will look like. Alright, and in the last video we looked at this button in more detail, the publish button. If you skip that video, make sure to check it out. The link is in the description below. I hope you can use these powerful templates, powerful animations in your designs. Now thank you so much for joining me in this one. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them below in the comments. See you in the next video.